Hi everybody, my name is Deirdre and I'm from Athens, Georgia. Today I'm going to read you a story about planting a flower garden. This book is called Planting a Rainbow by Lois Ehlert. Lois Ehlert also is the illustrator, which means that she drew and painted all these beautiful pictures. And the story was published by Harcourt Incorporated. Planting a rainbow. Every year, Mom and I plant a rainbow. In the fall, we buy some bulbs and plant them in the ground. She's planted orange tiger lily, red tulip, orange tulip, yellow daffodil, blue hyacinth, purple crocus, and purple iris. See how the leaf of the iris is poking up above the ground? Just a little bit. That's how you plant an iris. We order seeds from catalogs and wait all winter long. Look at all those seed packets. What have we got here? Phlox, Morning Glory, Zinnia, Aster, Cornflower, and Marigold. They wait all winter long for spring to warm the soil and sprout the buds. Here they are all coming up. Then it's time to go to the garden center to select some seedlings. Look at all those seedlings in the wagon. They have filled it up. Oh, there's a rose bush. We sow the seeds and set out the plants in soil. Sowing the seeds means you put them in the ground, and we watch the rainbow grow. And grow. And grow. We have some red flowers. And orange flowers. And some yellow blooms. We grow something green. Those are ferns. See how they're curly? And some blue flowers. And some purple flowers too. All summer long we pick them and bring them home. And when summer is over, we know we can grow our rainbow again next year. And that was Planting a Rainbow by Lois Ellard. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.